Hey there everyone, welcome back. I'm Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In today's video, we'll walk through on AWS CLI. So before understanding what AWS CLI is, let me explain something about how to access AWS, like multiple ways of accessing AWS. So one is through AWS console, which we have seen a lot in our previous videos. And then we can use something called REST APIs and SDKs like Boto3 for Python, which we have also used in our previous video. I will drop this video link in the description box below so you can check it out. And then AWS CLI, which we'll be talking about today. So without any further delays, let's get started. Now let me open up my browser here quickly. So here we are in the AWS CLI documentation page. You can see the definition. So this AWS CLI is nothing but a command line interface tool for controlling or accessing your AWS services. You can also use it to automate them through scripts. So yeah, that is it for the definition and stuff. So let me close this tab. So here I've logged into my AWS account. Uh, so you can access AWS CLI using a software, or you can that is you can download this tool from the AWS documentation page for Windows, Linux, and Mac, other, like these kind of environments. But for today's video, at least the introduction of AWS CLI, I'll keep it very simple. So we'll be accessing it through something called Cloudshell. So once you log into your AWS account, you can access Cloudshell using two methods. One is you can click on this icon here. This will open up the Cloudshell, and once you click on it back again, this will disappear. So the other way of accessing it is at the bottom left, you can see something called Cloudshell here. So you can click on this as well, and it'll open up the Cloudshell for you. Okay, so let's try out some AWS CLI commands here. So I'll be uh, showing something on S3 now. So let's try to list buckets and see what is within our buckets. Now for using this AWS CLI command, the first keyword here we would use is AWS, and then the service name, that is S3 in our case, and then the action. So AWS S3 LS for listing out what's in our bucket, or listing out all the S3 buckets that we have. Now it has listed all the S3 buckets that we have. I only have a single bucket, so that is what it is showing here. So I can in fact see what is within my bucket. Let's try to see what is within it. So I guess you guys might have got the idea what I'm trying to do here. So all I'm trying to do is like just uh, list out these paths and see what is within it. Yep. So there's a CSV file within this folder, this structure or the path, and this part here would be the complete S3 path to this particular file, and I will have to provide a slash in order to see what is within this, that is within the path. If I do not provide it, so it will not get into the folder or the path. So it will just list out that it's a folder, and that is all. So make sure that you specify a slash at the end if it's a folder. So to keep it simple for this video, I am just showing about S3. So probably in upcoming videos or projects, I will show how to use AWS CLI and manage your AWS services and stuff. So that is it for today's videos, guys. If you found this was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, and drop your valuable thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. If you haven't yet, then subscribe to our channel and hit on the notification bell so you never miss out any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming videos.